everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to share Instagram story to Facebook story. So to do that, first thing is open the Instagram and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you're logged in into the account, what you need to do is, first thing, you need to connect your Facebook and Instagram together. To do that, you tap on profile on bottom right, then tap on three horizontal lines on the top right, and then go to setting and privacy. In there, you tap on account center on top. In the account center, you need to add a Facebook account. So tap on add more account, and there from the option you need to choose add Facebook account. Tap on it. After that, if you are logged in into the Facebook account of yours in the application in your phone, you will directly have this option to enable connection. That is, it will be able to connect these two accounts together. If that's the Facebook account of yours, you tap on continue. You choose your date of birth, as you have two different date of birth in your Instagram and Facebook. You choose your one and then tap on continue. Tap on yes, finish adding. Tap that. And if you tap on profile, you can see your Facebook account and Instagram account has been connected. Now you go to the home page of your Insta account. Then tap on the add story on the top, or go to the camera. Then you select the photo or video that you want to upload. Then tap on your story. Right after you do that, you will have this option of share your Instagram stories and post to Facebook automatically. You tap on share post and story right there, and this will be added to your Facebook story as well. I'm gonna choose not now. I will show you the another way as well. Tap upon your story that you have posted, and there you can see the Facebook option on the bottom. You tap that. When you tap that, you will also have this option again. You tap on share post and stories. Now this will be added to your Facebook story as well. This is a way how you can share your Instagram story to Facebook story. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.